will show you how to slow down cypress test. Yes, uh, we when comparison with the selenium, cypress is very fast, and then sometimes we there is a no element found exception thrown very fast, even though the element is there because of the fastness of the cypress. So how to slow a bit down, like if there is a second delay and we don't want to induce wait after uh, every command, right? So implicitly in using 1 second wait so that it will sync up with the application under test. Like the loading of application under test could be different, and the cypress will go very fast. So to slow it down according to our own timing, we can have this import cypress slowdown plugin where we can have our defined delay. I'll show with an example. For example, let's say this is my test where I'm going to visit google.com and then just type Cypress in the search bar. So when I run that, what happens? As you can see, it is very fast. It ended in not more just 3 seconds, and not even 3 seconds, right? So it's very fast. If I had a very lengthy script, this fastness, like it would go very faster than we will have the no element found. This particular element is not found, all that thing. So now what I'm going to do, I am going to install a slowdown dependency. Let me show you how to do that. See, when we run this command, npm I, npm install as a dev dependency, cypress slowdown. So when I run that, it will come and then have it in the package.json in here, cypress slowdown. Once you have this dev dependency, in case when you are downloading, if you find any peer dependencies issue, conflict, then what you can do, you can run this one. Instead of this one, you can run this one. Here, same npm install dev dependency cypress slowdown force legacy peer dependencies. So when you do this, it will resolve the conflicts and it will successfully download in your package.json. So once you have that, go to the spec file and then add this to where we are importing slow cypress down from cypress slowdown, and this is the function we use. So I'll go here. Before describing this test, I will just mention import slow cypress down from cypress slowdown and this function. This I am not defining any time here. So when I do that, it will by default take 1 second of time. So I'm not defining anything. Let me run now the same test. You can see there's 1 second delay for every action. Previously it was 3 seconds, now it is 7 seconds. So we have induced 1 second of delay. If we do not want 1 second, we can maybe go for 500 milliseconds. Then how it will be? Let's see. Comparatively fast. It took 5 seconds, but yeah, it's at least we are trying to slow it down the way we want it to run. Like we can go for maybe 3 seconds also. You can say. for each command, it will take that much delay. So likewise, we can have our own defined time time delay for each command that will be induced for each command, so we don't have to write say dot wait wherever it is required, and it will go sometimes very fast, and then you are unable to, when you are actually doing the visual testing, you may unable to match the images, all that. So this kind of in using wait, you by default it will be just 1 second. So that would be enough, and you don't have to do it for all the scripts. Wherever you find difficulty with scripts that are lengthy and the suppress is running very fast, then you can have these two in that particular JS file, and have it maybe I here if you leave it like this, it will be 1 second by default. So if you want it to be for 500 milliseconds also, like you can go that way, or you can leave it like this, and then it will run a little bit slow. A bit, I wouldn't say very slow. Comparatively, it's very fast, so we are a little bit slowing it down. So that way we can have every command run with a little good space, good pace. Sorry. I hope this finds helpful for you. Thank you.